Namaste, good evening. Myself Ganesh, social teacher. Today we continue to learn lesson number second class, 8th class. The name of the lesson is energy from the sun. We are discussing about heat balance. That is what? Heat balance. How earth is making its balance. Now we continue to learn the things. Now here heat balance, how it is balancing. Because here, as you know that when the earth and the space are originated, that the millions years together the sun is hitting on the surface of the earth like this, okay. But here what happened, daily it is, you observe or not, see daily, suppose, see in especially summers we get that experience, that inconvenient type of climatical conditions we see daily. See, if the day is, if one day is, imagine 100 units of temperature is taking place, then immediately that day only it reflects temperature to the space. 33 units will be reflected to the space, it seems. I repeat here, because it, see here, first of all 100 units it is given. Who gave? Here sun is given to the earth. Then immediately the temperature it has to send back to them, no? So it is sending. But what happened here? You have to learn here one concept. That is what? Globalization. So sorry, global warming. What is global warming? Okay, global warming. Global warming, nothing but radiation of the globe. Warm temperature, WARM, global warming. Global warming nothing but global increasing of the temperature on the globe. So what happened here? See what is the sequence here? As you know that the earth is a good conductor of heat, okay. As it is a good conductor of heat, it is receives temperature, but it won't keep the temperature itself. It is reflecting to the space. How much percentage? Already I told you, 33% of units it is immediately it is reflecting. Suppose it is received 100 units temperature, then immediately that day only it is sending the temperature from its body. How much percentage it is sending? 33% sending. But what happened here? Here, due to our human made mistakes, okay, due to AGW, we call that one, anthropogenic global warming. See, due to our global warming, due to our human made mistakes. What are the human made mistakes we are doing? Slashing the forest, slashing the forest. Okay, slashing the forest means we are cutting the forest. We are cutting for the forest for our sake, and due to using of plenty of carbon monoxide, like that, we are utilizing that heavy vehicles. Due to carbon dioxide, CO2. So due to these two activities, okay, and we are utilizing so many refrigerators, okay, ACs. They are releasing some chlorofluoro, poisonic gases. That gases, what they are doing here, they are making these gases damaging. These gases, what they are doing? Damaging ozone layer. So when the ozone layer is damaging, so that leads to what happened? It is directly first thing is what happened here, directly some ultravirus, very important, ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun. They are directly coming from the sun to the human beings. They are coming directly from the sun to the earth, and they are making like that leads to form skin cancers, because of ultraviolet rays. Okay, sun is releasing See, not only temperature, some ultraviolet rays they are giving, some X-rays they are releasing. Okay, some radio waves also they are releasing. Three type of rays they are releasing. Imagine because of when the ozone layer is damaged. See, ozone layer how it will be. Imagine just I take with this blue color. See here some atmosphere is there. See ozone layer is there, but this layer is made some holes. Okay, then immediately these rays are coming and hitting on human being. Whose mistake that one? Our mistake. Today we have to get repent. Okay, we should get that conscience regarding ozone layer, and not only that one, but also what you have to focus on global warming. Global warming, how it is happening? See these gases, okay, these gases formed. Now I'll take one more sketch here. See these gases are formed. Which gases they formed? See here, CO2 is formed in the inner part of the earth. Okay, actually these gases are there. Imagine these poison gases are there. Okay, when these gases are formed, see here it has to reflect the temperature to the space, right? Okay, when it is trying to reflect its heat to the space, that reddish color gas, that poisonic gases, they make it stop. They are making them stop. So that is why the day by day, see the temperature is increasing. Because of this pollution. We have understand that global warming, and as well as here ultraviolet rays, how they are affecting on our human body. Next concept is next one, maritime and coastal climate. How the climate is maritime and coastal climate. Okay, coastal climate, maritime and coastal climate. What is meant by maritime climate? See here. Suppose take Earth. Take India map. See what is this? Maritime means ocean climate, oceanic climate. How the oceanic climate will be once you check here. See here, where if the latitude is closer to the equator, that region gets what is the tropical type of climate should be taking place. Tropical means what? Temperature. Tropical means what? Means what? Temperature. But here, when the seas are there, observe. Best example I have taken. They did not give in your textbook, but I have taken. See here. See, maritime type of climate means actually the area is suppose take India. See here, this region is very near to the equator. But here, according to formula, what is this here? What we have to understand, this region should get warm temperature. But what happened? Take Goa. It is which type of climate will be? Cool type of climate will be. Suppose take even Tamil Nadu contain of little suffocation is there. Suppose Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, they get what? Cool type of climate because of the cool breezes. They are coming from where? Seas. Okay. See which sea is there? Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. See what is that? Indian Ocean. See what is that? Arabian Sea. So these breezes they bring along with plenty of water moisture that leads to make their weather as a cool climate conditions. So these are the maritime and coastal climatical conditions we are knowing. Now next one is high and low temperatures. This is the last objective of the lesson. As you know that in the year of 1922, see Al Azizia. What is this, Nana? Al Azizia. Al Azizia, name of the place. It is located in South Africa. The highest temperature is recorded in Al Azizia. That is what? 57 degrees 8 Yeah, 57.8 degrees Celsius it was recorded. This is the highest temperature which is recorded in South Africa. And next one is the lowest temperature which was recorded in the year of 1983. How many degrees? That world record still minus 89 degrees Celsius was recorded in where Vostok station. It is located in where? Antarctica. And last point but not least, the average normal body temperature. What is that? The average normal body temperature is, see here, 37, okay, 37 degrees Celsius, or Fahrenheit also we can say 98 Fahrenheit. 98 Fahrenheit is known as what? The average human body temperatures. So these are the objectives regarding energy from the sun. I hope you have understood. Okay, Nana. Thank you one and all.